English Vocabulary 4. CSS and PMS Exam. Part 4. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. #61. Resplendent, adjective impressive. Synonyms: splendid, dazzling. Antonyms: dull, gloomy. Sentence: yesterday, my wife bought a resplendent purse from the market. 62. Pique, noun irritation. Synonyms: annoyance, ruckus. Antonyms: delight, joy. Sentence: in a fit of pique, he threw down his bag. 63. Disarming, adjective charming. Synonyms: irresistible, saccharine. Antonyms: despicable, disgusting. Sentence: he approached with a disarming smile. 64. Fathom, verb measure the depth of. Synonyms: comprehend, penetrate. Antonyms: neglect, misinterpret. Sentence: it is hard to fathom the pain felt at the death of a child. 65. Inarticulate, adjective unable to express oneself clearly. Synonyms: incoherent, blurred. Antonyms: articulate, communicative. Sentence: he made an inarticulate noise in the back of his throat. 66. Vengeance, noun revenge. Synonyms: reprisal, requital. Antonyms: forgiveness, pardon. Sentence: she wanted vengeance for the loss of her daughter. 67. Beseech, verb beg earnestly. Synonyms: implore, adjure. Antonyms: command, reply. Sentence: I beseech you, don't punish him. 68. Puny, adjective small and weak. Synonyms: inconsequential, diminutive. Antonyms: giant, strong. Sentence: what can we expect from a puny child? 69. Conjecture, noun guesswork. Synonyms: speculation, hunch. Antonyms: certainty, reality. Sentence: Sidra made several conjectures about where her son might be. 70. Jamboree, noun noisy celebration. Synonyms: ceremony, festival. Antonyms: weary, condolence. Sentence: our company has planned a nice jamboree. 71. Jaundiced, noun prejudiced. Synonyms: biased, bitter. Antonyms: unbiased, unprejudiced. Sentence: the writer of a novel showed his jaundiced vision in the novel. 72. Lackadaisical, adjective lazy. Synonyms: lethargic, indifferent. Antonyms: excited, inspired. Sentence: he seemed a little lackadaisical at times. 73. Lambaste, verb punish. Synonyms: castigate, criticize. Antonyms: praise, loud. Sentence: no one should be lambasted without any fault. 74. Larceny, noun theft. Synonyms: stealing, robbery. Antonyms: pay, reimbursement. Sentence: he was arrested because of grand larceny charges. 75. Largesse, noun generosity. Synonyms: magnanimity, altruistic. Antonyms: greediness, meanness. Sentence: largesse is an absolute quality of a nobleman. 76. Latent, adjective hidden. Synonyms: secret, concealed. Antonyms: developed, expressed. Sentence: advertisements attempt to project a latent meaning behind an overt message. 77. Limpid, adjective understandable. Synonyms: clear, unambiguous. Antonyms: incomprehensible, obscure. Sentence: the speech was a model of its kind, limpid and unaffected. 78. Lithe, adjective nimble. Synonyms: supple, agile. Antonyms: clumsy, rigid. Sentence: his walk was lithe and graceful. 79. Penchant, noun a strong liking. Synonyms, fondness, inclination. Antonyms, antipathy, dislike. Sentence, he had a penchant for playing jokes on people. 80, penance, noun atonement. Synonyms, punishment, penalty. Antonyms, reward, price. Sentence, the penance imposed on him proved light. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.